Human beings walk in an upright position and do many things with their hands, but animals cannot walk upright. Apes, monkeys, and human beings which have thumbs, toes, and front-facing eyes are known as primates. Human beings have backbone. Using the backbone, human beings can bend forward, backward, and sideways. Human beings can speak many languages. Animals also communicate among themselves. Human beings have the most advanced brain, and they can do many things such as think and reason out that animals cannot do. Animals do take care of their young ones to some extent, but human beings take care of their babies for a long time.